Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to our next Femite video tutorial. Now, guys, for this episode, I'm going to show you how to actually better protect or how to make your XLR cables last longer in terms of ensuring that their lifespan is much longer. So here is a XLR to RCA cable. So showing you how to make these XLR cables last longer or prevent them from grounding out or interfering when we're using them. So actually getting it open. Now if you realize the wires, they're actually very close to each other. So in terms of grounding out, especially if these cables are wet, they can be easily ground out. Or let's say, for example, a piece of these wires should actually get loose, it can easily touch the other end over there. So let's say, for example, the red one, a piece of it is loose, it can simply go over there and touch the black one. So I'm going to show you how to better protect it. So here I have my hot glue gun, so getting it hot. So what all you just simply need to do is to put some hot glue between these pins. So once you use a hot glue between them, that actually prevent them from grounding or touching each other, and it also add extra strength to the cables, because you moving these cables around, definitely these soldering sections, they can get loose. So what I normally do once I purchase a new cable or once I make a new cable at home, definitely ensure that I use my glue gun to actually ensure that some glue is being placed between the wires. Once you would have done that, then you just simple go ahead and put back the cable together. So let's go, right, put it together. Let's get it all screwed back up, right? So definitely have a much stronger cable there.